Welcome to the Conduit. Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm here with you to show you how to do a Tommy's Margarita. Tommy's Margarita is based in tequila, lime and agave. Was created for Julio Bermejo in 1980s in San Francisco in his father's restaurant. It's why today we're gonna try to replicate that. I'm gonna use tequila, of course, it was a Mexican restaurant. Yeah. Part of that, the more important ingredient, agave. Something nice and sweet, and something really refreshing will be our lime. You know, will give you this kind of freshness in the drink, the one we needed. We need exactly the same quantity of agave and lime. Yeah, all in. A bit more. And to finalize the showcase, we just need to shake. All in. Be close. Yeah. We do double strainer all in of the glass, just to make sure we have the same flavor from the beginning until the end. With the bulb with ice, and the beautiful garnish will be our dry lime. Enjoy!